In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your V8 security settings on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel now, select Privacy and Security. And on the right side, you want to select Security. Scrolling down where it says Manage V8 Security, turn on additional protection in Chromium's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Select that so you can configure your settings there as well as for customized behaviors for different websites. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.